Do you know that heavy metal accumulation, particularly from aluminum, mercury, lead, and cadmium, is associated with an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's? Heavy metals cause oxidative stress, beta-amyloid protein buildup, chronic brain inflammation, and DNA damage, leading to neuronal loss and accelerated brain aging. Heavy metals can accumulate in the body through contaminated food, water, air pollution, workplace exposure, household products, soil, medical procedures, and tobacco smoke. Over time, they build up in organs like the liver, kidneys, brain, and bones, leading to potential health risks. This video highlights the top 3 foods, backed by research, that help detoxify heavy metals from your body while providing protection against Alzheimer's and dementia. So, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. The number 1 food on the list is cruciferous vegetables, especially kale, are rich in sulforaphane, aiding in detoxifying heavy metals and promoting toxin excretion. Kale, including lacinato kale, is packed with nutrients and compounds that support memory and may help protect against Alzheimer's disease. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse that supports brain health through its rich array of beneficial compounds. It is packed with antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which protect neurons from oxidative stress, and flavonoids that reduce brain inflammation, lowering the risk of cognitive decline. Kale, rich in vitamin K and folate, supports brain cell structure, enhances memory, reduces Alzheimer's risk, and aids neurotransmitter synthesis while lowering homocysteine levels linked to cognitive decline. Some studies suggest that lacinato kale may have slightly higher levels of lutein and zeaxanthin compared to curly kale. Lacinato kale's milder flavor makes it easier to include in smoothies, salads, and soups. The carotenoids lutein and zeaxanthin, found in kale, accumulate in the brain, enhancing memory, learning, and cognitive function in aging populations. Furthermore, kale's glucosinolates produce sulforaphane, detoxifying heavy metals and protecting brain cells, while its anti-inflammatory nutrients combat chronic inflammation linked to Alzheimer's. So, enhance your memory and defeat Alzheimer's by pairing kale with other brain-boosting foods such as combine it with walnuts, rich in omega-3s, blueberries, packed with anthocyanins, turmeric, containing anti-inflammatory curcumin, and avocado, a source of healthy fats that improve nutrient absorption. The food on number 2 is aronia berries. Research highlights that aronia berries, or chokeberries, are exceptionally rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants with neuroprotective properties. These compounds play a vital role in brain health and may help prevent or slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease. Anthocyanins from black chokeberry, Aronia melanocarpa, have demonstrated potential in slowing brain aging. Research suggests these compounds can combat age-related cognitive decline and enhance cognitive function by reducing oxidative stress. Chronic brain inflammation is linked to Alzheimer's. Anthocyanins in aronia berries suppress pro-inflammatory pathways, protecting neural tissues. Anthocyanins in aronia berries enhance synaptic plasticity, improving memory and cognitive function by supporting communication between brain cells. Studies indicate anthocyanins in aronia berries may prevent or reduce the accumulation of beta-amyloid plaques, a hallmark of Alzheimer's. A 2021 study demonstrated that anthocyanin-rich extracts improved memory and reduced beta-amyloid deposits in mouse models of Alzheimer's. Aronia berries help improve vascular health, ensuring better blood flow and oxygen delivery to the brain. Anthocyanins support gut health by feeding beneficial gut bacteria, which in turn produce compounds that reduce brain inflammation. The food on number 3 is garlic. Research suggests that garlic's sulfur compounds, especially allicin and S-allyl-cysteine, may provide neuroprotective benefits against Alzheimer's disease and dementia. Allicin, formed when garlic is crushed or chopped, shows promise in addressing neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. It helps reduce neuroinflammation and combats oxidative stress, both critical factors in preventing neuronal damage. S-allyl-cysteine, SAC, a key component of aged garlic extract, AGE, has been linked to improved brain health. AGE has demonstrated potential in mitigating cognitive decline by addressing oxidative stress and brain inflammation. Sulfur compounds in garlic essential oil have been found to inhibit enzymes associated with AD, indicating a potential therapeutic role in slowing disease progression. Recent reviews explore the impact of garlic compounds like allicin and SAC on Alzheimer's disease, emphasizing their potential to alleviate symptoms and slow disease progression. So that's all for today. I hope you like this information. For more health-related videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.